What is up, guys? Today I did the alarm siren on my 2005 Volvo s60R. And so after I bought the whole module, this is what I have left of it here. So I bought a whole brand new module from eBay. It was about $100. And after reinstalling the new module, I literally just took out the old one and swapped in the new one. And after reinstalling it, I noticed that my sunroof did not work at all. There was no communication between the sunroof or the alarm siren, still didn't sound off. And so I went into Vita and I tried to calibrate the siren, or activate it, so-called, and it wasn't working. So what I ended up doing, I don't know if that was because of the Vita issue, like if I don't have the proper identification credentials. Like I know sometimes you need an online Vita. It's like a specific prescription you can pay for, or a subscription. Anyways, so what I ended up doing was taking the old motherboard. I separated these two. The old one came off a lot easier. This one I actually had to break apart. But what I did was, so the battery was under this black piece right here. This is the battery right here. It just has a little connector that goes on to the circuit board right there. And so when you separate them, you'll find this battery. And all you're going to want to do is, if you can, just buy this battery. This is the OEM battery that came out of the vehicle. I'm not sure if this is like, if you can replace this, just the battery, because you really don't need all this other stuff. This circuit board, you'll need to go to the dealership to get reprogrammed. And also, if you're having sunroof issues after you install a new one of these, that is definitely why. So what I ended up doing was splitting it apart. I put the old battery, well, this is the old battery. I put the new battery from this module that I got off eBay into the old one, and I resealed it all up and glued it back down like this. And again, the old one separated a lot easier than this one did, so I think that will make a big difference in this casing. Obviously it won't look like that, but so yeah, that's about it, guys. Good luck. Hope this helped.